Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the fairy mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the fairy mutated fish only spawn in the spirit roots here already in the location, and to easily spot the fairy one, you can just use your radar and turn it on, and you'll see the fairy like this if it has the fairy mutation. So just equip your gun and try to catch it like this. It's a little big, so hopefully I successfully to catch this one. Okay, so a little bit more and that's it. So that's how you can catch a fairy mutated fish inside the spirit roots. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.